Hey everyone, I wanted to take a moment to do a quick review of the DEWALT Table Saw for job sites, 15 amp DWE7485. Now if you're familiar with tools at all, you'll know that DEWALT stands out as one of the higher end brands. I've had this table saw for several years now and it's been an absolute workhorse. Let me start by saying that it still works great, just as it did when I first got it. I primarily picked this up to achieve nice, even cuts, and I must say, it does not disappoint. There are a few features that I really like about this table saw. It has a ruler right here that allows you to set your measurements precisely. This is incredibly handy when you're aiming for accuracy in your cuts. There's a locking mechanism located conveniently on the side that allows you to move the ruler and set it exactly to the size of the cut you need. Once it's locked in place, it doesn't move at all, providing a stable and reliable cutting experience. Another feature that I find useful is the blade adjustment. If I need to move the blade down, I'm able to do that easily right here. The mechanism is smooth and intuitive, making it a breeze to adjust. Additionally, if I need to make an angled cut, this saw has got me covered. You can adjust the angle with the degrees clearly marked, enabling you to set it to, say, a 45-degree angle with utmost convenience. Once you've set the angle, locking it into place ensures it stays put. This adjustability is a significant advantage, allowing me to tackle a variety of projects with different needs. Turning our attention to the controls, the DEWALT Table Saw features a straightforward on and off mechanism. You start the saw by pressing the green button and shut it off with a big, easily accessible red button. This user-friendly interface makes it safe and simple to operate, even for those who may not be seasoned DIers. On the side of the saw, there's a convenient place to wrap the power cord around. This is particularly useful if you have a stand for the saw, keeping everything neat and organized. The power cord storage solution is one of those small details that add considerable convenience to the overall experience. The saw also comes with a blower located on the opposite side, helping to keep your work area clear of debris. This is a thoughtful feature that ensures your cuts are not only precise, but also cleaner, saving you the trouble of additional cleanup. Additionally, this table saw is designed with mobility and stability in mind. The four supports are made from a plastic rubber composite, which contributes significantly to the saw's sturdiness. Whether you place it on the ground or on a table, these supports keep it stable, ensuring safe operation. I've had this table saw for a few years now, and it has never let me down. It's truly a great tool that has become an essential part of my workshop. If you're in the market for a reliable table saw that delivers precise cuts and offers robust features, I'd highly recommend the DEWALT Table Saw for job sites, 15 amp DWE7485. This saw has certainly exceeded my expectations, making every project smoother and more efficient. Thanks for tuning in to this review. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a comment and let me know your thoughts, or if you have any additional questions about the saw. Until next time, happy building